Embryonic stem cells are so-called master cells that can morph into any cell of the body. Scientists hope to harness them so they can create replacement tissues to treat a variety of diseases ranging from diabetes to Parkinson's and even Alzheimer's. But President Bush banned public funding for such research, citing religious reasons.
This is one of the fastest moving areas of science, and yet we've been restricted. We've been operating with one hand tied behind our back.
The emotional debate over stem cell research is much like the fight over abortion that has been raging in the U.S. for decades. It is focused on embryos that would otherwise be discarded as extras by fertility clinics. So Obama is proceeding cautiously on the issue. Taxpayer money will not be used to fund the creation of new stem cell lines, but scientists who have so far relied on private funding to work with newer stem cell lines will now be able to apply for government grants. This private firm, for instance, wants to use human embryonic stem cells to create new nerve connections in people who recently suffered a spinal cord injury. Still, opponents denounce the new policy, insisting that taxpayers should not pay for experiments they say require the destruction of human life.
I'm concerned for the short period of time. They're going to kill a lot of unborn children as they do this.
But Tim Ryan, who along with his 2 children suffers from type 1 diabetes, says he is relieved at the change in policy.
We've 8 years already that we're just excited to see that the research finally get a chance to prove itself or not.
Obama said during his campaign for the White House that the restrictions Bush placed on funding of human embryonic stem cell research handcuffed U.S. scientists and hindered the country's ability to compete with other nations. Roger Wilkinson, Al Jazeera.